I'm only going to give you a couple of more moments to get out of the car. Do you want me to break the window to get you out of the car? Because that's going to be my next step.
Yeah, I'm just calling my...
I'm just letting you know. Keep an eye on her, please.
Yep. Samantha.
On August 21, 2025, at 2:45 a.m., an officer pulled over Nquavia for busted taillights, but the routine stop escalated when she refused to roll down her windows.
Roll down your window. Roll down your window. Thank you.
I'm getting my license now.
You live here?
Yes, I'm coming home to get my cousin.
Hey, Brian. This is our 1017 from yesterday that ran.
Who ran?
What ran? This is my car. Who ran where? Let me out the car.
No, you're not getting out of the car. This is a traffic stop. You ain't going anywhere.
I'm trying to figure out
Oh,
who
okay.
ran.
Just making sure you know. Roll down this window, please.
It don't go down anymore.
Okay. Can you roll down that window, please, and shut off your music?
Wait, what do you mean ran?
That window don't let down. Who ran?
Whose vehicle is this?
It's mine, my mom.
Can you? None of the windows go down now all of a sudden?
Okay,
that window right there, the passenger side window, can you please put it down? Because my partner's on that side right now, and he's trying to speak with you. The front window. I'm not talking to you right now,
the front window don't let down. That's the one that don't let down.
Okay.
Where your registration at?
Up top.
3 dispatch. Another unit over here has 94. You're 1074. Do you have your driver's license, registration, and insurance? What are you looking for?
You're just asking for registration.
Okay.
It's the insurance.
Whose vehicle is this?
Come on.
It's your vehicle?
No, it's my mom. It's mine. Yeah, I paid for it.
Okay. Who's it registered to?
My mother's.
Okay. So that window right there doesn't roll down at all, you're telling me?
No, ma'am.
Okay. You just went through a driver's license right there. What was that one?
That wasn't no driver's license.
I just saw it. There's an ID.
My ID? My sister's
There's an
ID?
ID or driver's license in there, yeah. Yeah, who's
That's
the
my
driver's?
sister's ID.
Okay. Who lives here?
I just said my cousin.
Your cousin lives here?
Yes.
What's your cousin's name?
Bubba.
Barbara?
Bubba.
Bubba?
Mm-hmm.
Bubba what?
Boy on the bike. He always ride a bike.
What address are you at right now?
I don't know. How am I supposed to know everybody's address?
I'm just asking. What address are you at right now?
Right there. That's 15. 15. Did you need this?
Yep, whatever paperwork you have, I'll take.
I don't even want to open the apartment. I can, but...
Yeah, what's up with the cornstarch boxes?
I eat cornstarch.
You eat cornstarch? How do you eat cornstarch and just... Anybody got a medical marijuana card in here? You do?
No.
Oh. Does anybody have a medical marijuana card in here?
Felicia just had one, but she's not... That's when we just dropped out.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Felicia did have one, but that's when we just...
Are you Felicia?
Out.
No. Okay. So Felicia, who was in here, had a medical marijuana card?
Yeah, that's when we just dropped off.
So is that why you think I'm getting the odor of marijuana? Is that what you're saying? Does she normally carry marijuana with her?
She smoked marijuana all the time.
Okay. Was she smoking in your car before?
She was just in here. We was just sitting out the side of the shop.
No, I'm just asking. Was she smoking marijuana in your car?
The door was open. She was standing outside the car.
Mm-hmm. Ma'am, what's your first name? Nquavia? Nquavia what?
If you eat that in front of me, I might throw up. Please don't. Please don't do it.
But do you all eat it? Because she's got one up front here too. Can you see if this rolls down, please? Because I mean, it's very. It doesn't roll down.
That one don't even roll down. And these two, that's the furthest these roll down.
Okay. All right, hang tight here. Okay. What are you looking for?
I just had it. My bank card.
Why are you looking for your bank card? I didn't ask you for your bank card.
It's my bank card. I didn't say I'm looking for my bank card.
Okay. What are you looking for?
It's my bank card.
What is that? Oh.
What's with your bank card?
My license.
No, you're good.
Irritating.
Can I ask you what you're looking for?
I just told you my license.
I'm just keeping an eye on the driver here. Okay, she keeps digging in that purse.
She keeps asking what the original stop is for.
Right. And it's for the brake light. Only this top brake light was working. The rest of the other brake lights were not working. She braked in front of me 3 times and I didn't see the second brake light.
The standoff turned into a forced removal after officers smelled marijuana and noticed Nquavia repeatedly reaching into her purse, where they later discovered a controlled substance.
So, like I said, I'm getting the odor again coming from the vehicle. She said that her friend was just in the vehicle and her friend was smoking. So, are you good with us taking them out, or?
Yeah, absolutely.
Right, Nquavia, I'm gonna have her sit down.
Yep.
Nquavia, I'm gonna have you step out of the vehicle, okay?
Okay.
But I need you to do it now, all right?
Okay, I heard you. Why am I stepping out?
You're stepping out of the car because I'm getting the odor of marijuana coming from inside of the car. Open the door and step out of the car. No, we're not doing this. Open the door and
All
step
I'm
out of the
saying
vehicle.
I just told you Felicia was
I
smoking
I just asked you to step out of the
Y'all
car.
did-
This is
y'all-
exactly what I was trying to avoid, so please step out of the
I
car.
was just saying, y'all did.
She's refusing to get out of the car.
Y'all,
Nquavia, I'm not asking you. I'm telling you to get out of the car.
you saying you
Nquavia, I have every right to do what I'm doing, and I'm asking you to exit the
y'all
vehicle.
saying you smell marijuana, but how would you smell marijuana if we
You
weren't
just
even-
admitted to me that there was somebody in your vehicle who was smoking in the door and step out. You're just prolonging the process.
This is crazy. Like, I don't feel the need. I don't even have. That's crazy.
Samantha, will you please step out? Look, this isn't going to go away.
No, I'm not. We're
That's
not doing
fine,
this.
But you do your thing, Samantha. Will you please step out of the car and speak to us?
Okay.
We're not just. We're
There's
not
a
just
reason
gonna
why they're
walk
not
away,
stepping out of
okay?
this car. I'm only going to give you a couple of more moments to get out of the car. Do you want me to break the window to get you out of the car? Because that's going to be my next step.
Yeah, I'm just calling my.
I'm just letting you know. Keep an eye on her, please.
All
Right, it's 3:30 in the morning. I don't think your lawyer's going to answer the phone. You can handle it tomorrow.
You need to step out of the car.
I just feel like I'm being harassed right now.
You're not being harassed. You're being asked to exit the vehicle. Nobody's harassing you.
Why am I popping?
You need to step out of the car. This is not going to stop. You need to come out of the car. Get out of the car. This is not going to go away. You need to get out of the vehicle. No, I'm not backing up. Open the door. Back up for what?
Get out if I want to.
No, open the door and I'll back away from the door. You need to get away from the door. I am not backing up. I am not backing up. You are making me worry about what your next step is. All you need to do is open this door. That's all you need to do. That's what's going to happen. And you're going to get property damage if you don't open this door.
She gonna get property what?
Is this your mother's car? You may want to talk to her because the next step is I'm going to break this window to get in here. So, is that what she wants me to do?
Well, what is one on that shine?
Window can go down.
Okay, you need to get out of the car. I'm not asking you. I'm telling you to get out of the car.
I feel like I'm being harassed.
Okay, we're past that. We're past with the harassment thing.
Can you please back up now?
I'm backed up. Get out of the car, please.
I'm not telling you.
I am backed up enough. Get out of the vehicle.
I don't want to hit you.
Okay, you're not going to hit me with the door. I promise you, you're not going to hit me with the door.
She said she don't feel safe.
I don't feel safe at all. Like, that's crazy.
Step over here. Step over here.
Wait,
Do not start walking away from me.
I thought you said step over there.
Put
I'm
the phone
sorry.
down. Put the phone down. Put the phone
Wait,
down.
I'm gonna hand her my phone. Here, grab my phone, Brittany. I'm not.
Put your
Don't
hands
even
behind
be
your back.
aggressive, because I'm not even being aggressive at all.
Right now you're being detained. If you're not paying attention
I am
to
paying
any
attention.
lawful orders that are being given to you. So right now,
Yeah, all I
you're being...
said-
We're going to go over to my car over here.
Okay, which way?
Oh, that way. Right now, you're just being detained. All right?
That's fine. It's okay.
Right here.
Oh.
Right here. You got anything on you?
No.
Okay. That's all I'm saying.
I just leaned against
No,
the car.
we're not doing that.
Not doing what?
Don't reach.
My pants are falling.
Listen to me.
You overdoing
Listen to
it.
me.
You're really
All you
overdoing
need
it
to
now.
do is listen to what I'm telling you
I'm
to do.
listening.
That's it. If you do that, this will go smoothly.
Okay, that's
Okay,
fine.
but the minute you start fidgeting and doing other things,
All I did.
we're going to have a problem.
That's why I got. My
I'm just
hands
letting you
out
know.
like this. But you see how big my pants is.
Anything in the car?
Hey,
That's not my car.
Miranda.
That's not my car. And you asked me why you asked me if anything in the car and why you said Miranda. What that mean? Your body cam on?
My body cam has been on since the beginning. Since
why
I
you
asked
said-
you to exit
why-
the vehicle and you
I'm just
refused to
asking a
exit the
question. You
vehicle,
don't have to get mad.
my body
I
cam
didn't
has been
refuse.
on
I
this
didn't feel
entire
safe.
time.
You calling him?
Can you just stand there with her in case she... Please, thank you. So this was on her.
Yeah.
Looks like there's some shake on the bottom here.
So this looks like a...
Can I have a seat right here for now?
Can you loosen up this cuff right here, please?
Okay.
possibly NBA.
Where was that
It
at?
was inside her purse in the sandwich
That
bag.
she was reaching in the entire time? Okay.
Yeah, she was making carter movements too.
There's a reason why she didn't want to exit the car.
No, 100%.
So, what's that?
This one.
No, we're not loosening up anything right now.
You can't even put your
No, not right now. Just put your foot in. Listen to me. I will adjust when I'm done with my investigation. I will help you out.
Following the arrest on August 21st, 2025, Nquavia was transported to the county jail for booking and processing. The early morning stop, which began due to her busted taillights, quickly transformed into a serious legal matter once the controlled substance was discovered inside her purse. In court, the prosecution highlighted her repeated refusals to exit the vehicle and her history of habitual driving with a suspended license. Ultimately, Nquavia accepted a plea agreement to avoid prison time, resulting in a sentence of 2 years of supervised probation. As part of her sentencing, she was ordered to undergo mandatory drug counseling, submit to random screenings, and clear her accumulating court fees through a structured payment plan. This late-night encounter serves as a vivid example of how routine equipment violations can rapidly escalate into felony charges when drivers choose non-compliance over cooperation. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.